Hello my friends, welcome to Training KS. Today is 16th of August 2025. So today we want to take a look at the global market, see what is going on. And as I said, I think the pain is coming lah. Okay, the pain is coming on this trade war, all those things like inflation, trade war, all these things, at the Fed cut rate, all these things. I think the pain is coming. And because August 1st, the actual tariff started lah. Because prior to August 1st, all negotiation, only 10% only right implemented, other are all still under negotiation, extend. So now after August really started the 19%, some get 30 over percent, some got 50%. So really started, I think the pain is coming lah. That's why now onwards have to be careful. We are very near to Fed cut rate. Remember Fed cut rate is normally is a sign for market crash, right? So you have to be careful lah. Okay. Yesterday, I think yesterday Putin and Trump met lah. I think they are still continue meeting lah. But they have a press conference. What came out was that they have some terms already agreed, some terms not yet agreed. So some of the terms Trump need to go to discuss with NATO and discuss with Ukraine to get their this how to call it, agree lah. So that to get their consent lah. Okay, whether they can agreed and stop the war lah. Okay. A quick disclaimer first before I continue. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, today I'll do the video a bit faster lah, because today got a lot of activity lah. Today the children got a lot of activity. Okay, look at Bursa first. Okay, Bursa still okay. Actually it got stuck at around 1,006, near 1,006. Last time 1588 lah, this area lah. Okay, close to 1,006 it got rejected, but it still look bullish because it did make a higher high. So it came back, make a lower low. As if it retrace above 1550, still okay. But if drop below 150, then we don't need to concern. But still look okay for now. But having a lot of resistance near 1,006. Okay. East market pop up, breakout. East market could go higher. Looks like potential could go higher. Mid cap, okay, mid cap is stuck in the range, stuck in the flat pattern, not yet break out. Try to break out, but did not. Okay, small cap already broken below the flag, which is not good lah. Okay, doesn't look good. Look at sector construction. We got a pin bar now. Okay, so there could be a retracement lah. So it almost hit the 336, but didn't. But now we got probably will have a retracement. Healthcare might drop a bit more, but healthcare we have to watch lah. Now we got Mother and Son. If we can break above 1660, probably there is a chance of a big bottom lah. Okay, but I don't think long-term rebound, but I think at least a rebound, because price has dropped to very, very low lah. Okay, so there could be some support or institution support coming lah. Okay, consumer still sideways, energy still sideways. Finance, I said there's a rebound. It could come back to this area, 18,004, even slightly higher lah. There's a downtrend channel here, maybe even higher. As I said, this one for now I think is a chance to run rather than chance to buy. I mean, you still can buy, but as I said, finance stock has been, the price is already very high lah. So you cannot buy a lot. When you buy not much, that you can buy. It goes up 5%, 10%. You barely rasa there's any profit lah. This is how I'm not saying you cannot. Because bank stock, the price is so high. How many you can buy? So you cannot buy a lot. But then it goes up 5%. You barely rasa anything lah. Unless you go in million. Okay. Okay.
It's not, I see where have the bigger window or bigger opportunity, but of course you buy bank stock, you long term, you still can get profit. But if you buy for long term, if you attend my secret value investing strategy, it's not buying at the high lah. You have to understand okay. So if you are long term okay, because if it drop right, your dividend can never cover the paper loss okay, the capital loss okay. Or if it drop from 5 ringgit to 3 ringgit, how to cover right? Okay, your dividend. So there's a way if you already 10 secret value investing, you know already okay, how to do it, how I do it and how to do it how I do it I mean there are other way to do it how I do it you know okay. Industry still sideways, no breakout. Plantation do break out, got have a tilt, but it's still slightly bullish it's still slightly bullish. Property coming back. Property next week should not drop anymore. It dropped already, break this trend line. I think it's coming back down. Read already got a reversal pattern pin bar and a confirmation. Be careful okay. Technology is still sideways. Technology, yes, it broke 53. But look at the longer term, actually the whole thing is a sideways between 51 and 54. So the best is break 54 because you shall not pass at 54, right? Okay. Telco is still sideways. Transportation is still sideways. Utility is still sideways. We have to wait for the momentum Okay, so not much to talk about momentum to look at Okay, a quick message before I jump to the global. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView and this Luno. Okay, you use my link you can get some reward some discount, all these things so don't you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser very friendly guy Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno. If you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link Okay, let's check out global. Bitcoin okay. We got two pin bar at the same place 1 2 3 area 1 2 0 1 2 3 not 1 2 0 1 2 3 area okay 1 2 4 area okay. So you look at the daily, it's actually looking like a double top why and why I caution here, why previous breakout I didn't caution, why I caution here, right? You go back to the study, we do homework. We are not based on any witch hunt, any simply speculate, simply tembak trying to talk about a target, all these things We did our study. Remember the cup and handle, remember cup and handle okay. Remember this very big pattern. This pattern is a few years okay, created few years okay. So a lot of people already saw this pattern. A lot of people already put in their target. Where was the target? Where is the target? Okay, 124,000, right? So why 124? It keep on being sold down. You know how many investors already saw this okay pattern and already put the target here, especially the big boys not the small boys looking at a 15-minute chart. All these long-term big investors. That's why it go there, they start to sell. It go there, they start to sell. These are big fish are selling. That's why it cannot go through for now. Why? Okay, this target, okay, almost reached but did not reach. This target was around 129 also, but it reached 124 and it sold down. Why it didn't reach? Because yes, this is a strong pattern, a 70%, a 70% chances pattern. We got a flat pattern, right? Okay, this flat pattern breakout. Okay, but why it stopped here? Because this pattern is being created within 100 days. Okay, 100 days. This is created in 1,000 days. So there is so many more investors, so many more these fund okay, who track this pattern. Okay, so there are many target reset here. Investment fund, big institution, they are not joking around. They don't see the news and straight away takut. They reset their target. Okay, this is a very solid cup and handle, very solid. Okay, pattern, and it point to here. Okay, so that's why it's starting to take profit. That's why I starting to caution you. There are a lot of big fund will start to take profit because this is a very big pattern. And the longer the pattern, the stronger the okay, the stronger the pattern. Okay, this is created over a year, over a few years, 2 year plus. Okay, I measure around 1,000 over days. This is below 100 days. So this pattern can never beat this pattern. I'm not saying it can no chance to go through. But there will be a lot of selling at this area lah. Okay, so that's why I told you we are simply don't happen. Then only after happen then only tell you this tell you a lot of story lah. This is what we initially predicted. What we initially predicted, the 124 and 125 area, right? Okay, these are the area that we think. I think we'll still reach there, right? I think we'll still reach there. Over that, I'm not sure. Okay, that's why now. Let me tell you, this pattern where all the big fish is investing already hit. Okay, because most of the institution they see this cup and handle pattern. Okay, they already set the target here. So after that, I'm not sure. Okay, Ethereum also hit the target area, near the target area, maybe take some profit. Litecoin also, okay, because we got strong pressure. Bitcoin, Litecoin also starting to turn. SRP also flat. Cardano, okay. Try to break out also near the target area already. They went to target area, slow down a bit. So this one maybe still got a bit of room. But I think with all this pattern forming, I think take some profit. You see Solana, another, you see, same like Bitcoin, right? 2 pin bar here. So you have to take note. And we are force break, a break, and came back down. The mother and son, this one is a force break. Be careful lah. Okay, Avalanche didn't really move lah. Okay, so I think better take some profit. But there is still profit. Remember, right? It break out over here, right? There is profit to take. Okay, remember you remember I already post this one long time ago, right? The breakout, right? Okay, the breakout here, right? Okay, at around 110. Okay, I said break 110 chance already. I repost this one 2 times before break and after break. If you still miss it. If you still lose money, I don't know what to say lah. Okay, you see I post here twice. Twice. Okay, this breakout here. Okay, so now we are still in profit lah. If you exit now, you are still in profit. Okay, but if you like that also you cannot cash, then I don't know what to say lah. I repost twice lah. I don't want to talk about the 30,000 lah. Where I make the majority profit from the. Okay, from the here, from the 30,000 before the diamond, before the Trump breakout, all these things so before we add, okay. So if you like that also, then you have to maybe it's time to you to learn the proper kung fu lah. Don't spend your time giving money to the institution every day. Throw your money to all the big fish, feed them. You have to feed yourself lah. Learn the kung fu lah. Okay. Dollar is sliding down. Be careful. Dollar is losing momentum again. He tried to rebound, but making a bear flag. I think it's coming back down to the bottom channel. Look at semiconductor index. US. Okay, so you see it's turning around. Okay, at the previous high here, it's turning around. We got a bearish sign. Okay, so be careful. Nasdaq still going at the top here, but looks slightly negative. Also starting to turn around. It just cross the top channel. S&P near the top channel, or maybe can go a bit more. Okay, you have to be careful. Okay, Dow Jones got stuck here at the previous high here. Now it's stuck here. It did break the previous high a bit lah. So there is still chance for it to continue go. Russell also still break out, still okay lah. Hang Seng also near the top channel, dangerous. China A50 okay, A50 break up, A50 maybe still can climb a little bit. Nikkei no need to talk. Nikkei their GDP is good. Some more we got the head and shoulder. So GDP is good. First thing, second thing is what? They get a low tariff. Okay. So that's why so I think it's coming to here lah. For Nikkei. Okay, coming to here. STI. Okay, STI I think double top here, be careful lah. STI already hit the top channel. Australia probably still got room to grow. Nifty kena the 50% tariff cao lah. So I think it's coming back down already. SCT still okay, above 1230 double bottom. UK still okay, slowly climbing. DAX also okay. DAX also okay. As long as stay above 23,188. Aluminium slowly still climbing. Okay, still slowly still climbing. Okay, not too bad. Still okay. FCPO okay. FCPO still climbing. So commodity side still okay. Only copper got a big drop, but copper is still on the uptrend channel lah. So it's not too bad yet. Gold we have to wait the breakout 3441. Then it could go higher. If we break 3176, then be careful. Gold you have to be careful 34 lah. So no sorry, silver. Silver if it drop below 34,000 you have to 34.1 you have to be careful lah. Okay. Dollar. This oil is still downtrending, and oil I think is breaking back to the bottom channel. Be careful lah. Okay, look at US stock. Apple broken through. Apple could get room to go a bit higher. Broadcom maybe too high to chase. Wait for retrace first. Amazon is close to double top 240, not good to chase. AMD also starting to lose momentum, take profit area. Alibaba got no momentum. Boeing at this target already. I think barely can move. Grab fail breakout, came back down, so this one failed already, the breakout. Google also reaching previous high, also all-time high, also not a good place to buy. Intel with the US government interest to invest here, maybe in Intel if it break 26.16, I think it's going back up lah. Microsoft we got pin bar here, probably gonna retrace. Micron, it did break out lah. Micron I think as long as stay above 104, maybe still got chance but have to be careful lah for US market. Netflix I think slowly making lower high. I think Netflix slowly coming back down. NVIDIA we have to see next week. Now we got we got the doji. So if next week we got a bearish one, bearish big bearish candle, then it could be turning back down lah. Qualcomm I think got rejected at the sideways here. Tesla tried to break up but failed. Zoom is slightly downtrending. JP Morgan, Fed cut rate I think not a good chance to jump in. Meta breakout a bit, but it got divergence. I'm not very keen on this one. Better wait for a drop. Frontier too high to chase. I think too high to chase. PayPal I think is dropping lower. We got head and shoulder here. I think it's coming back lower. SMCI losing momentum, stuck at 64. Okay, also this one we have to be careful. Walmart also hit the double top. If it's starting to drop again, I think it's forming double top. I think US market is starting to feel the pain already. Taiwan Semiconductor, TSMC breakout. I think sideways a bit. Maybe still can go higher. You want to wait and see, but I'm not buying at the high here lah. Okay, if we can break out here, maybe still can go 249. Robinhood, too high to chase. I think. Finbar, MSTI we have to wait for this. It got mother and son. If we continue to drop below mothers next week, then it could drop lower lah. Okay. China nothing much lah. BYD all this stuck here. It's not moving lah. Okay. So I pass this one. Not. Only this one. You want to watch Tencent. Tencent breakout. Head and shoulder is coming to 629 lah. Other got not much momentum. Okay. So I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.